The FDA's advisory panel is meeting today to vote on Pfizer and Moderna's COVID-19 vaccines for children 5 and under.
Now, that same committee voted Tuesday to greenlight Moderna's shot for kids aged 6 to 17. While endorsement by the FDA's committee is an important next step, it could still be weeks before shots get into arms. The FDA will still need to adopt its panel's recommendation, and the CDC will also need to approve use of the vaccines for those age groups.
CBS News medical contributor Dr. David Agus joins us now for more. Hi there, Dr. Agus. So what do parents of children 5 and younger need to know about the vaccines for that age group?
First of all, they need to know that Errol is too negative. It could happen next week. It's not going to take weeks. And I believe so. Is that, there are 2 vaccines that will be available now to the last group in the country that has to be vaccinated. That is the under 5 group. And they obviously sorely need it. What we're seeing is long COVID is a risk factor in them. It is an issue in them, and we want to prevent it. And so the Moderna vaccine has thousands of patients' data showing it is safe. The Pfizer vaccine has many 5 and older individuals, hundreds of millions, showing it is remarkably safe worldwide. There potentially is a slightly higher rate of myocarditis inflammation of the heart with Moderna. It's not dramatic, but it's potentially higher. But both of those should be available, I hope, as early as Tuesday next week to start to vaccinate. 3 shots with Pfizer, 2 shots with Moderna.
All right, Dr. Agus, I'm going to channel my inner optimist with this next question. If these vaccines are approved, you seem to suggest it will happen relatively quickly. Pretty much everyone in the country will be able to get protection from the virus. Will that signal, does that mean then that the crisis part of this pandemic will be over?
Well, it certainly is a step in that direction. And we will, as a country, live with the virus rather than hide from it. And I think that under 5 have really been hiding from it, with many of their parents afraid of the complications of the virus. So the issue, though, is 5 to 12 in this country, only 30% of the kids who are eligible got the vaccine. 12 to 18, it was higher at 60%. But we need more children to get the vaccine, not because they're going to be seriously ill and hospitalized, which is remarkably rare, but to protect long COVID and spread of the virus. I do think it's important that we all stand up and develop that immunity that's required.
All right, Dr. David Agus, thank you so much, doctor.